How to hide friends on Snapchat. So first, go over and open your Snapchat, and then click on the chat icon at the very bottom. So long press on the friend that you're looking to hide. And then you'll see the option of manage friendship. So go ahead and click on that. So there's no option to hide a friend. You can only block them, report them, or completely remove them as your friend. So if you don't like any of these options, the other alternative is what you can do is long press on their name again and then go to chat settings. So you'll see this message notification. So if this is turned on, that means you'll receive a notification every time they send you a snap or reply to your snap. And if you turn this off, you won't get any notification from the person. So as of right now, there is no way to hide your friends on Snapchat. Snapchat does not have that feature. So this is the best alternative that you can go with.